Welcome to our portable laundry showdown. Today we're comparing two popular appliances, the Auertech Portable Washing Machine and the Euhomy Portable Clothes Dryer. Both are designed for small spaces, but they serve different purposes. Let's dive into their features and see which one comes out on top. The Auertech washing machine boasts an impressive 18 pounds washing capacity and a 10 pounds spinning capacity, making it suitable for larger loads. In contrast, the Euhomy dryer has a capacity of 1.5 cu fort, which can handle up to 10 pounds of wet clothes. While the Auertech excels in washing, the Euhomy is designed for efficient drying of smaller loads. The Auertech washing machine operates semi-automatically, requiring manual intervention to switch between wash and drain cycles. This can be a bit cumbersome for some users. On the other hand, the Euhomy dryer is fully automatic, offering multiple drying modes and easy control, making it more user-friendly for those who prefer a hands-off approach. When it comes to pricing, the Auertech washing machine is priced at $269, while the Euhomy dryer is slightly more affordable at $229. This makes the Euhomy a more budget-friendly option for those looking for a compact drying solution without compromising on quality. In conclusion, both the Auertech Portable Washing Machine and the Euhomy Portable Clothes Dryer have their strengths. The Auertech is perfect for washing larger loads, while the Euhomy excels in efficient drying. Consider your specific laundry needs and space constraints when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.